Going that way, so I won't really see it. Hello! And welcome back to Nuneaton on the West Coast Main Line. That was 391.38 on the Glasgow Central service. Here's 353.72. Leading in the 13.11 from Crewe to London Euston. Oh wait, were you blocking the people?
Yeah,
oh.
It didn't look very comfortable.
Fair enough.
Well, I think it's round.
This is 352.59 on the rear. So welcome. I'm sure that you know what will be seen. Let's see what's shouting up. Right then, passing now is 352.59, trailing the 13.11 to London Euston.
London Euston, mate. London Euston, mate. You know the London North Western Railway. You're on class 350. Go a bit closer to the pantograph start. You already say that.
Meanwhile, through comes a 350. Nope, 390. Right, different. Three ninety 107 running from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. It is chucking it down with rain at the moment. So hopefully we get a couple of sparks. Here's another 390. With an amazing time, running 15 minutes late from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Okay then. .11 running from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. That is a lot of rain being kicked up. Okay, then off goes 176.18 on the 13.43 from Leicester to Birmingham New Street. Do you fancy moving a bit further up? Not in the rain, but like... Yeah. Meanwhile, through comes an 807. Whoa, running from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. That was... Okay then, arriving in now is the 13.51 cross country session from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport, formed on another 170. I promise we will have more freight soon. 176.37. Meanwhile, we have Part 3 now kicking up a load of rain. And Evangelist Coast Stars 805. That was 805, 007 and 002, running about 20 minutes late from Chester to London Euston. Okay, then arriving now is the delayed 13.43 Advanced West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, as also arriving in now is a 13.54 London North Western Railway service from London Euston to Crewe. Leading this 391.18.
Shame you don't get a window hang out of these.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, then
with
passing
that
now
agreement.
is about 15 minutes late. It's the 13.43 Advanced West Coast to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly.
I Okay, I'm gonna tell them. He had a green flag. He did it old-fashioned style on the guard.
Yeah.
That's actually sick. Why not the back handbrake always line up?
Meanwhile, there is 354.08 awaiting to depart on the delayed 1354 to crew. And off she goes. On the...
There's no logo on
There isn't a logo on the front of non-officer railway units.
the back.
Oh. Off goes 354.08 on... Oh, Jesus Christ. On the severely delayed, on the delayed and very full 1354 to crew. Meanwhile, through comes the 390. .010 running from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. That crew train is absolutely rammed. Okay, and then passing through now is an Manchester Coaster Vero running from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. .07001 and 390-151 Unknown Soldier looks like he's just hit a bird, running from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street.
Why did I miss that?
Okay, and arriving now is the 1411 London North Western Railway service from Crewe to London Euston. .35127. There's 122 on the rear. Okay, then passing now is the 1411 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Okay then. .390-005 passing by from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston with an amazing tone. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced Press Coast 390 running from Glasgow Central to London Euston. .390-152. Okay, then departing now is the severely delayed 1409 cross country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street, 17619. Okay, then passing through now is a pair of Advanced Press Coast 805s. .805-001 and 005 running about 25 minutes late from London Euston to Chester. Meanwhile, in comes 170-109, leading the 1424 from Birmingham New Street to Leicester. Okay, then arriving now is the severely delayed 1409 of Anti-West Coast service from 1410 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly, formed of a 390. A lot of passengers wanting this. This running about 20 minutes late now. Everything has been late and I don't know why. $390,002. Meanwhile, we are passing through now another of Anti-West Coast 390, running from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $390,050. Okay, then get ready to depart. About 20 minutes late. It's the 1410 of Anti-West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. You've still got a couple of minutes left. About 10 minutes. By the way, they're going through that platform. They're going through that platform.
Yeah, up to the 90s.
They're going through in 10 minutes.
Oh.
Stephen Sutton.
Is that it there in 10 minutes?
Yeah, and we've got the RHTT in 10 as well.
Is that also in 10 minutes?
Yes.
Coming through on
I literally just said that.
I was doing a Mr. Piggy reference.
Oh.
Just bringing it to your attention.
Okay, then crawling through now is an Advanced West Coast Class 390. $391.37, passing by from.
I watch Jake Paul.
Okay.
I live in Team 10 house.
Passing by. Well, wait.
I can't believe I just did that.
Passing by from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
Like and subscribe to watch my public execution.
Okay, then pass through now is an Advanced West Coast Class 390. $91.35, passing by from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Meanwhile, crawling through now is another 390. This one passes by from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
Look at the tilt.
The last one I think was going to Glasgow Central.
Look at the tilt.
I can't see it.
It's tilting.
Is it?
It was.
Oh. He's accelerating quite a bit.
Sorry about swearing, guys.
$390,009.
That last one heading for Houston had a dead bird splattered on the front.
Oh, lovely. Okay, then passing through now to G-Breath Class RHTT, running from Kings Norton to Bletchley. $66, $119 and $169, sounding beautiful. First freight that we've had for an hour and a half. Right then, passing through now is a Freightliner Class 90 on a container train from Felixstowe North to Garston. Actually, we'll zoom in a bit. 390, 004 and 003. Meanwhile, through comes the Nuneaton Coast 390. Never mind. .805 008 running from Chester to London Euston. Okay, then arriving in now is the 1443 of West Coast Service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. .39115. Crew will change. Okay then, if I just zoom in down here, we have passed through now, and West Coast starts 807. Hold on. That was at 807 004 running from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. Meanwhile, getting ready to depart now is the 41 of West Coast service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. 1443 even. Alison. Okay, then starting now is the 1445 cross-country service from Leicester to Birmingham New Street, 17622. Pride of Leicester. Meanwhile, arriving now is the 1452 of West Coast service from Blackpool North to London Euston.
Blackpool?
Yep, Blackpool. Have you ever been to Blackpool?
I don't need to.
Are you ever planning on going to Blackpool?
That's going to be little T, no. Or Sophie Ashman.
You're so meaningless.
I might do. Little T, you better watch it, Sophie.
390 200. That's 390 016. Railway 200. Okay, then arriving in now is a DB Cargo UK Class 66 on the car train from Halewood to Southampton Eastern Docks, transporting some Jaguars. Not the animals.
Oh, I get that.
Yeah, funny. This is running about 45 minutes late, 66 105. Oh no, it's transporting Range Rovers as well. A very, very long consist.
I can tell you that range, isn't it? I'll say that just because I want some more logos. look who's British.
Meanwhile, arriving in now is the, what's the time? I don't know. The 14:51 from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. 176.18 in the Pride livery. As 390.016 departs with the 14:52 to London Euston.
Okay, now what else is coming?
Right then, the car train is off to Southampton.
Well, Hadley, it's off to Southampton now.
Yep. It's really bright.
And it's very long.
Yep.
Much like something else. Which I do not possess.
Okay, nice.
We're building cars in Minecraft.
There you go. If I put my hand like that, it kind of helps. Hey. Must take so long to load these.
I just tried for a while. They're driving. Might be making corporate channel. You got that, you got video of
What? What?
that.
Oh, how dare they? Okay, then arriving in now is the 14:53. No, 14:54. So close. London Western Railway says from London Euston to Crewe, formed of a pair of 350s. 352.50 leading. Not many of the. Oh, bad voice crack. Not many of these left. These Dash 2s. It's got its logo stripped off as well. Yep. Okay, then departing now is the 14:54 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. No. £3.90. Okay, then passing through now is an advanced British Coast Line 390 running from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. £391.24. Look, you see the London Midland branding on it. Look, you can see. Oh, you can't see it on that one. You can see the line where the London Midland branding had been taken off. 128 on the rear. Okay, then we're past through now, and the Phantom Express was 8:05, running from London King's Cross to Chester. No, don't know. $805,013. Right then, arriving in now is the 15:10 of Manchester Coast service from. Is this a London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly?
He's going a little bit quick.
Yeah, he is.
I thought that would work. That wasn't just me, was it?
290,049.
It's the first Great Western, class 180.
There are two 70s out at the moment. One's on 4 Mike 61 Southampton to Trafford Park.
Yeah, we're going to see that.
I don't know.
What's the other head code?
It won't come through here. $4.30.
Oh, I can wait.
Okay, let's passing now to 15:10 of West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Come on. There's the pop, there's the hiss, and there's the whine. Okay then, I'm gonna come over here.
Oh, it's a game.
$827,010. Meanwhile, here's 353.77. The 027 is running from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. The 350 is on the 1511 from Crewe to London Euston. 374 is on the rear. A lot of people. A lot of people have been sleeping like this on the train seats. A lot of people. It's weird. Okay, then departing now to 1511 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. You see, the thing is, that's funny because my mum is also actually coming. So yeah, that's funny. Okay, then arriving in now is a Freightliner Class 66 on a container tray from London Gateway to Lawley Street. $66,596.
It's an orange one.
I mean, it's not.
Oh,
Not those wagons.
this is going slow. The American.
Meanwhile, approaching now is an Advanced Coast 390, running from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $391.55.
Yes. Flat wheel. I cannot imagine how much I have to replace these wheels.
Yeah.
And the 170 Hadley Moy. Hadley Moy. Look, behind you.
170.
170.
Okay, then departing now is the 15, delay 1509, cross country circumstances airport to Birmingham New Street.
Look.
39123 running from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Okay, then arriving in now to 1524 cross country service from Birmingham New Street to Leicester.
360 no scope.
17619. 619.
Oh, I did that 4 times.
Yep.
Do you know how many times that is?
The one which I haven't seen in ages.
What?
625.
Why?
Does 625 exist?
Don't think so. I've never seen. I don't remember one. I don't think I noticed.
Okay, then passing through now is a Freightliner Class 66 on an aggregates train from Radlett Private Sidings to East Usk Yard. (66,614) Poppy. You also had 391-112 pass by running from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Okay then, through comes the 390. Double 08 passed by from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Okay, then passing through now is Advanced West Coast Class 390. (391-26) running from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. It is beginning to rain. Okay, then passing through now is a Freightliner Class 66, storming its way through. (66,592) Johnson Stevens Agencies. That is running from London Gateway to Disson O'Connor.
I will never be
Sounding beautiful.
Speed
Okay then, passing through now is 66,310 once again. Bowness and Kinneil Railway. Running from Hams Hall to Felixstowe North. Meanwhile, (805, 006 and 004 running from Holyhead to London Euston. Definitely not the fullest consist in the world. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast of Aero running from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. (807-006). Okay, let's passing now to 1543 cross country service to Birmingham New Street.
Oh, we've seen this one 4 times now.
Yep, I'll be seeing it again.
What was the 4 one?
Meanwhile, arriving in now is the 1543 Advanced West Coast Service Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, 390-039. Lady Godiva. Okay, that's departing now. It's a 15:43. Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. That quote is on clip.
Yeah. I don't mind watching her walk away.
Yeah.
That's about the time she walked away.
For me, it's very we could
Nobody likes you. Got more of me on a TV show.
I walked alone, it was a Friday night. I walked alone to get the feeling right.
Get the feeling
Feeling
right.
right.
Making out. She
And
took off my pants.
it's turn on the TV. And that's about the time you walk away from me. Nobody loves you when you're 23. These grills. Age. What's my age again? What's my age again?
Why did I say that? Why is there any in my head?
Good question.
What is that?
A flag.
Yeah, I gathered that.
Okay then, arriving in now is the 15:51 cross country service in Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. Think so. 17622. Pride of Leicester.
You think you're going to get that Azuma's replacing 170 soon?
Probably not.
And 810s.
Okay then, arriving now is a
Amongst comic
DB Cargo UK Class 66 on an aggregates train from Northampton Castle Yard to Mount Sorrel Sidings. Apologies for the shaky camera, just sorting out where to put the power bank. Hold on. Oh, there we go. There we go. 66162. Maritime Intermodal 5.
Clean.
Looks like it's all in empties.
How did they do?
Okay, then passing through now is a GBREF Class 66 on a container train from Birch Coppice to Felixstowe North. Meanwhile, income 73218. Well, this is 66788 to kick off. Locomotion 15. Running from Birch Coppice to Felixstowe North. Nope, that's a lie. Felixstowe North to Birch Coppice.
This one's got loads of triples there.
Oh.
They are doing it,
Yeah. I mean, I think so, hadn't I?
He's a clean body. That one's not. My triples there. We think we're doing it.
And as that slows down, here it's 73218, leading the 1554 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Ooh, thank you. 233 on the rear. Okay, then passing through now is another 390 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. 39114. Okay, then departing now is the 1554 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Great to see these 730s. They're not used on many diagrams on these services. Yeah. 73233 on the rear. Meanwhile, we have passing through now DB Cargo UK Class 66, running from Trafford Park Euro Terminal to London Gateway. Sounding beautiful. Okay, then passing through now is a G-Breath Class 66 running from Birch Coppice to Felixstowe North. $66,724. Drax Power Station. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast Class 805. .002 and 007 passing by from London Euston to Holyhead.
Wait.
Okay then. .008 passing by from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast Class 390 running from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. $390,011. Okay, then arriving now is the 1610 Advanced West Coast service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. $390,125. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast Class 390 running from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. I can't believe you're filming the passenger trains. It's mad. $391,31 with a great spark as well.
Very wobbly wire.
Right then, off goes.
There's how many coaches?
Why is it going on platform 7 as well? Is this passing through?
What a voice crack.
Yeah, what a voice crack. Right then, here's a cross country 170.
I'm more just listening.
Yeah. 170,397. No, it is stopping. Why is it a 6 car? Well, this is running.
The weight is still there, that's why.
Oh. This running the delayed 1609 from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. I'll get the rear when she leaves. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast Loss 390. Running from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Meanwhile, departs 170.397 with the 1609 cross country says to Birmingham New Street. 170.110 is on the rear. Wonder why that's not on. Yeah, we are. Okay, then arriving in Naz, 1611, London North Western Railway says from Crewe to London Euston, formed of another one of their 350s. I'll bet this train will be absolutely rammed. 354.08. Yep. I wasn't wrong. No, but I don't think they're getting off though.
Just watch any people just pull out.
We'll see.
Trust.
It's gonna be shaky. Sorry, sorry that it's so shaky.
Tripped over.
Yep.
Just getting on. They can't even fit. Car. Oh my goodness gracious me! Holy mackerel! Holy smokes!
Okay, then passing through now. .39117 running from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Okay, then passing through now is an GBRF Class 66. Oh, hello. .66 Railway signalman Willie Taylor running from London Gateway to Hams Hall. Meanwhile, oh, 66759 Chippy once again, running from Ditton O'Connor to Felixstowe. No, wait, which one's this one? Hold on, that one going fast was Felixstowe South to Trafford Park. This one's Felixstowe North to Hams Hall. Meanwhile, also passed through now is another 66 on the RHTT from Kings Norton to Bletchley. As in comes 176.23 on the 1624 to Leicester. Yeah. That was a lot of 66s at once. Okay, then passing through now is an Advanced West Coast Loss 390. .001 running from London Euston to Glasgow Central. And with that I shall leave it there. Sure. It's been fantastic here.
Floor and platforms may be slippery due to today's weather. Please take extra care when walking around the station.
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic here today, hasn't it? Indeed. Next station. Well, next station be probably Peterborough, maybe London. I don't know, somewhere like that. Bye.